In a world where technology reigns supreme, the intersection of ambition and artificial intelligence can birth unparalleled success stories. Today, brace yourself for a narrative that defies convention and embodies the spirit of innovation. Identifying opportunity in the digital landscape. Our story begins at the dawn of a digital era, where traditional business models were evolving and opportunities for reinvention abounded. The protagonist, a visionary entrepreneur, was quick to discern a sector ripe for disruption. Armed with a keen eye for market trends and an insatiable appetite for innovation, the challenge was clear: to reimagine a million-dollar enterprise using the transformative capabilities of artificial intelligence. Transforming challenges into opportunities. With the decision made to incorporate AI into the business framework, the journey unfolded. The first crucial step involved understanding the specific challenges faced by the existing business model. AI, with its ability to process vast amounts of data and derive actionable insights, became the catalyst for turning obstacles into opportunities. The entrepreneur navigated through uncertainties. The AI-powered overhaul in action. The implementation of AI wasn't a mere enhancement. It was a complete overhaul. Every facet of the business underwent a meticulous transformation, from streamlining operations through automated processes to enhancing customer experiences with personalized interactions. AI became the linchpin. This strategic shift liberated human resources, allowing them to focus on strategic decision-making and creative endeavors. The heartbeat of success. Data-driven decision-making central to the transformation was the emphasis on data-driven decision-making. AI algorithms, with their analytical prowess, became the heartbeat of success. Market trends, consumer behaviors, and competitor strategies were deciphered with precision, providing invaluable insights. This newfound understanding empowered the team to make informed decisions that resonated with the target audience. Tailoring experiences with AI customer-centric approach. The key to sustained success lies in understanding and meeting customer needs. AI played a pivotal role in creating personalized experiences for the clientele. Recommendation engines analyzed purchase histories, predictive customer service, anticipated issues before they arose, and tailored marketing campaigns resonated with individual preferences. The business endeared itself to customers by not just meeting, but exceeding expectations. The exponential growth story scaling heights. As the business redefined its operations and customer interactions through AI, the results were nothing short of extraordinary. Exponential growth became the norm, and the once million-dollar enterprise now stood as a testament to the transformative power of innovation. Navigating the uncharted territory, challenges along the way. No success story is devoid of challenges, and this AI-driven journey was no exception. The initial skepticism surrounding the adoption of AI, coupled with the need for upskilling the workforce, posed formidable hurdles. However, each challenge was met with a strategic solution, a continual commitment to innovation. The future unfolds. As we reach the culmination of this remarkable tale, the journey doesn't conclude, it evolves. The recreated million-dollar business stands as a beacon of inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs and established enterprises alike. The commitment to innovation remains unwavering, with AI continuing to be the driving force behind every decision, every strategy, and every success. The entrepreneur looks ahead, exploring new horizons and embracing emerging technologies. In a world where possibilities are limitless, the tale of recreating a million-dollar business with AI is just one example of the transformative power of innovation. If you crave more stories that push boundaries and redefine success, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey of limitless potential. Until next time, Stay inspired, stay innovative.